you ever wanted to know how to check your air filter on your K-Series engine, it's pretty simple. Got your air box over here. Got a couple of bolts around the housing. Basically, the air goes in to your engine, and then pop, pop, bang, bang, get some horsepower, do what you got to do. So I'm going to go ahead. I got a 3/8 ratchet with an 8mm, some extensions, and I'm just going to go to town removing some of these guys. You have another one right down here. And another one right here. Most of them are actually pretty loose, which is a little bit concerning to me. Oh, this one's pretty tight. All right, thank God, nothing broke. And that's about it. So let me completely loosen these, and I'll remove. And to make life easier, you could remove this one as well. Just remember, that's a 10mm. Everything else is an 8. So go ahead and remove this and pull the tube off. You don't got to take it off all the way, just enough for everything to get loose like this. So try to do this with one hand. There we go. Comes right off. Nice and easy. Now, I don't have a set of pliers, but do I have the gorilla strength? Oh, sort of. I'm actually going to go from here. Oh, finger strength. Pull that off. Let's see if I got that off all the way. And just remember, everything is important. Oh boy, there's a lot of oil coming out of there. Uh-oh. We're going to find something out. So I just managed to wrestle that up. And check this out, which is pretty cool. This is the air filter. I've never seen one like this before. And it's not super dirty, which I'm pretty happy about. But I'm thinking of going with just like a performance air filter. But I'm pretty glad. This is the first time I've really checked the air filter since I bought the car last year. And that's it. That's how you check your air filter. And then you could buy one for like 20 bucks, 30 bucks instead of having to spend maybe $70 or $90 or over $100 taking it to a dealership. So that's how you check your air filter on a K-Series